much that's happening, and these people ain't right for me. I woke up this morning, I wanna just fly away. There's too much that's happening, and these people ain't right for me. There goes my day. I hate myself so much at the moment. I tried to pray, God help me see there's something beyond this. Thoughts I've been thinking, driving myself crazy. I guess I've been drinking way more than what is good for me. I woke up this morning, I wanna just get away. There's so much that's happening, and these people ain't right for me. I woke up this morning, I wanna just fly away. There's too much that's happening, and these people ain't right for me. This whole damn city is a crowded mess. I feel the opposite of pretty, just a capsule of stress. Oh, I just wanna get away. Where am I to go if I can't bear to stay? I woke up this morning, I wanna just get away. There's so much today and just chose chaos. I think I've had enough, why don't you lay off? Nowhere to be, no makeup on, feel young and free, baby, I'm done. So turn up my song and feel free to stay. I don't care. I don't care. Talk about me like you know me. You don't know a damn thing. I really don't care. Tell me I'm weird, tell me I'll never get it. I guess I'm past the point of trying to fit in. Nobody told you that you had to like it. So carry on, but feel free to stare. I don't care. I don't care. Talk about me like you know me. You don't know a damn thing. I really don't care. I don't think you're hearing me. I don't care. I really, really, really don't care.